Hey guys, and welcome to WordsAtScale. So this is kind of a reaction video of the Wordplay 3.0 announcement. So it was announced earlier today that the new version is up, and you can see it here on the site. Wordplay 3.0 is officially live. And when we go to the dashboard, we do see a newer version. So the two things that the developers say are different is that the algorithm has been widely refurbished and updated to make it more accurate, factually accurate in fact, and just give better content overall. But the biggest, I guess, difference aside from the algorithm is that when you go on and create a piece of content, you now have this option. Let's go to the title mode just for the demonstration purposes. So if I go to create content and I'll choose title mode and I go how to manifest a car, for example, I can now choose the word count. So there are 5 options available. I could have sworn I saw 500 words, but we have the 1500, 2500, 3500 and 4500, and it's under maintenance today, but I was able to create content close to 5000 words earlier today. So that's the biggest innovation, apart from, again, the algo update. So me being me, I just wanted to double check whether the quality has really improved. And you know that I have these dashboards with plenty of information and wordplay included. So what I did, I went ahead and chose 3 keywords that I generated via the title mode using the previous version of Wordplay, and I selected the keywords that showed quite, I wouldn't say poor, but subpar results compared to the other keywords. So we have how to start a hair business, which resulted in a 4.9 score, then how to start a seal coding business, and how to start a business without money. So I have chosen these 3 keywords to run them again, generate the outputs again, and compare the two. And for those who don't know me and my channel, I use these parameters here to evaluate outputs that AI copywriters generate. So I look at word count, at SEO score 1, which is surfer SEO, at SEO score 2, which is neuron writer, readability and plagiarism as measured by Grammarly, output quality. This is me evaluating the content relevancy based on a scale from 0 to 10. Then we have our originality score, which is measured by originality.ai, and the overall score, which is the weighted average of those ones. So again, I have selected the 3 underperformers and I ran them again. And this time I didn't look at the word count because I could manually select the word count. And this is what happens. So the overall score went up from 5 to 5.6. Originality score unfortunately dropped quite drastically, so it was around 21 on average. Now it's 4. The output quality improved, the plagiarism decreased, readability score remains around the same. SEO score, both SEO scores went up. So basically everything became better, and significantly so. However, Wordplay 3.0 is still within the top tier of AI copywriters with 5.6, and this is a weighted average of everything that has been generated by Wordplay previously. So the overall score for Wordplay as a whole was 5.5, now it's 5.6. So not a big difference, but Wordplay, this score here includes the guided mode, which is the most accurate one. And yeah, basically, if you are a current Wordplay client, you will enjoy the new and improved outputs. If the Wordplay 3.0 is something that you are using to decide whether to choose Wordplay or Copy.ai or Jasper, think again. It is not a drastic difference, but then again, Wordplay is a very unique copywriter in the regard that it can generate hundreds of articles at once. And yeah, that's it, a very short video for you. Hope you have a nice day. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.